Open. Okay, come. Okay, guys. Anyway, we're gonna open the box. Yeah. Look, it's not sponsored. We actually bought this. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yay! So, what is AG1, Rio? It's a vitamins. It says 75 vitamins, minerals, probiotics. Scissor.
Okay.
Careful. Mommy have a scissor. Okay. Are you ready? Better day starts with better mornings. Okay, open. There's a... Come here. There's a hat. And then, you have to show them. Hat. That's right. Unboxing with the, tag dito? With a challenge. May makulit na bata. So guys, we bought this one kasi meron siyang libreng hat. It's a free hat. That's why we bought this. It's a $75 hat.
What?
That's it. Just kidding. Gusto lang ni Marbs to. Kasi it
What?
says morning person.
I am a
And
morning person.
We are both a morning person. And then it has this one, 30-day supply thingy. And so, may canister. I think it's empty. Yeah, lagyan lang siya. You put it here, there. And, uy!
Google.
What's this one? I don't know actually.
I don't know actually, guys.
Oh, it's travel packs. 5 travel packs. Pag namamadali ka, if you're in a hurry. This one. Kay AG1, baka naman. Tomorrow we're gonna try it with this one. But I already tried this from Ron and Danica before. We still have some actually. We haven't really finished it yet. But this time, I'm committed to...
You're committed?
I'm committed to taking them. Probably Marbs too. Ayaw niya last time eh. So like, I don't know. And also my free D3 and K2 liquid dietary supplement. Yeah, we need vitamin D3 especially here in Canada because like walang sun masyado in winter. So I think yun lang. Oh, meron pa nga dito, scooper.
Ang dami.
It's actually heavy. Oreo, look! It's a spoon. And I think that's it.
That's it, pansit?
That's it, pansit.
Ang kulit ni Rio.
That's all the gifts from AG1. Thanks to my husband for actually buying this. The bottle,
Catch it.
the spoon, and the canister. We put the thing here so it's not messy. Ta-da! So I can put this here. Then, oh, so you actually can add the droplet here, di ba? Pag din-enter mo. Minik mo yung drink. And the 5 travel packs. And of course, the morning person hat.
Yan. Nice.
Okay na.
Yeah.
So that's it. That's our nonsense review. So I can't really say this is a review. It's an unboxing. Yeah.
Unboxing.
Unboxing because I don't know. It's on. The light is on. Whatever.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Say bye, Rio.
Rio, say bye. What?
That's cute.